Did you know that you can record your voice along with recording your screen on any iOS device? For example, when you slide from the bottom with your finger and you get this control center and see the blinking red dot means I'm recording right now. But if you hard press on that dot or long press it, you can see additional options. Right now, the check mark is next to camera roll. That means I'm recording this video and it's going to be saved in my Photos app. You could select Facebook and it might work, although it has not worked for me. And of course, at the bottom is where you can see microphone audio on. Currently, it is on, which is why you can hear my voice. If you were to tap that microphone, it would turn off my voice. And it would say microphone audio off. Just like that. And there you have it. This free advice has been courtesy of Sergey Bloom. You are welcome.